Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are gonna be talking about crypto investment platform, which also have a demo account for trading, and also we also have a live demo account for trading. So in this project, you're gonna be seeing two different phases, and the reason why this is going to be is that if you have a user that doesn't know how to trade, you can deposit a free demo payment to their dashboard where they can use for testing purposes to learn how the trading is all about. This script is so fantastic, it's so robust, and it has everything you need in your newly built crypto investment broker platform. So I will show you the admin dashboard on how it looks like, on how you can accept deposit payments, approve users, control everything related to this project. So in this case, I will log into the users dashboard, and I will log into the admin dashboard so that I can show you how you can actually use this script. Let's dive straight into this. So I will input my login details. So I will sign in. So after signing in, I will receive an OTP, which is one of the features that is actually great for protection. This is for security purposes. So this script is very, very robust, like I said, and it's highly, highly, highly recommended. So I've received the OTP, so I'm inputting the OTP. So authenticate me to logged in. So once I'm logged in, as you can see, I have my dashboard. It is playing right here. I can see my trading packages. I can see the market. I can see the my trading records, the staking history, deposit if I want to deposit money to start my trading, and if I want to withdraw, I can click on withdraw here. I can check my profile, and I can set up my security, and also I can chat with support. And also this is the demo that I was talking about earlier. So as a user, if you log this is a user dashboard. As a user, if you log in to this project, so you're gonna have a demo of 50,000 US dollars, and also this can be controlled from the admin end. Depends on how much you want your users to have as a demo for trading. So if your user click on this demo, you see demo balance is $50,000, and you can see they can switch back to the main. So they can use this demo balance, they can use to start their trading demo. All right, so now as you can see, we have on the dashboard, we have forex, we have CFD, we have crypto, we have stock, we have features, and all of these can buy and then you can sell on this project. This is a very robust project, and this is something that you should use for your next project. All right, so we're going to be looking at okay, if I click on this demo and I can switch to the main dashboard, which means after I am done using my demo to text trade, to know how to trade and to know all of those things, I can now switch to the main dashboard, which is the main this is where I can actually use my live account to trade. So you see, this is active staking profits. You're gonna be seeing how well you're doing and all of those things like that. You can set your profile, notification, and activities on your platform. And also, as you can see, we have trading packages, we have trading stake and trading record, we have stake history. So I will open each of these tabs, and also you can see okay, so as you can see, you can buy, you can sell USD, you can see a lot of stuff like that. And you see then right here, so this I think is network that is everything is going to come out like just like this. You will see them, you see the rates, you see everything. You can buy them, you can sell them, and this is a very nice rate. This is a very nice project. If you are in need of this, you can just check the description below to get more information about this. And also you can, so let's go to the second one, which is the trading packages. So trading packages that you can set from your admin end. You can see starters package, premium package, silver package, golden package. You can set up many packages for user, This minimum is $300, and the maximum you have minimum of 1,000, minimum of 2,000, maximum of 10,000. And then you can set, you see demo trading, negative balance protection, and all of those things like that are added to these premium packages. This is a full project, and this is highly recommended. And this is the packages, and also this is the trading history. Whenever your users start trading, you can see their history, trading type, amount they used, the units, the trading software, which is the time, the market, the profit, and the status of their trading. And also, you can see the stake. We have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Litecoin, we have Tether, we have BNB, we have Avalanche, and we have so many like that. You understand? So this is what you can use to stake. This is a complete project that you should definitely look out for. And also we have stake history. That is where you can see all the history of your staking. The one that is currently active, you're gonna see them here. And then staking history, you're gonna see them here. So because I don't have any active no investment, so if I start staking, it's going to be displaying everything right here. So same thing goes to deposits. If I want to check my deposits, so let's say I want to deposit money, then I can deposit money. It also have QR code scanner. If you input your can copy this from here to copy, yeah, you see copied like that, and then you can also scan this to get this and make payments. And once you make payments, you enter the amount you want to pay, upload your proof of payments for successful transaction, and only when you have done this, that is when you can click on paid, and then the admin will receive it and admin will approve it. And Bitcoin, and pay in Bitcoin, ETH, BNB, Litecoin, and Tether, and all of stuff like that, depending on your choice. And if you want to withdraw your money, you can also request for withdrawal, and once you request for withdrawal, then admin will approve your withdrawal if you are eligible to withdraw. And this is a profile. Your profile, you can set your profile, you can edit your profile and edit your information. And also, if you this it has a mode of verification for users, so that you can see, so that you can have total control of your platform, and so many like that. So you can click on choose file. You can click on choose file. You can choose on choose file. You can click on choose file, then verify, send to them maybe whatever it is you want to request for international passport, national ID card, just to secure your platform. Upload your proof of identity, and then upload. Once you upload, the admin will verify, it will be verified, and that's all. Then in order to secure your account for trading purposes and all like that, you can activate 2FA security, which was the one that I activated. So activation active. So when you logged in, 2FA notification will be sent to your Gmail, so that you can be able to secure your account. As you can see, when I wanted to log in the other time, I have a 2FA code sent to me. Then you can click on support if you want to chat. If you want to chat with, the support. So you understand. So that does it. You can now. This is everything about see. This is the history. This is the user. This is deposit, and also CFD, crypto. You can so many things. So many features is available on this project. Now, let's quickly dive straight into the admin dashboard. Let's see what we have on admin dashboard. Is from here, from this end. So as you can see, we still have the safety, all of this, and we have crypto stock like that. So I will just log out. I'll just log out from here, and after logging out, then I will just log in as an admin. So let me check the admin logged in, which is UA admin. Okay, so I will log into the admin. All right, so logging into the admin, let's see what we have. So admin.com, and log in to this account. All right, so this is the admin dashboard Koala, and as you can see, this is, you have total number. You can see the total number of people, investors that you have, total invested so far. Any amount that people invested, you're gonna see $11. 20 investors requested to withdraw $7. Total amount withdrawn, that's $206,334, and this total amount that has been deposited on the platform. So this, you can see all of these details on your admin dashboard, and you can see users management. You can toggle this, you can toggle it up, you can toggle it off, you can toggle it out. And also you can click on this to set your profile, you can log out from here, all of those things like that. And so as you can, dashboard is very bulky. You have users management where you can manage all your users, verify your users, you can set up your signals, add a signal to this project whereby this is the signal that your users are going to be using. And your wallet, you can set up your wallet, you can set up your you can set up different type of plan you want. Stake management, you can see the active stake, people that are staking at the moment. You can see the deposit requests, people that are just deposited to your platform. You can see people that are withdrawing, that want to withdraw from your platform. As you can see, this is, you can approve, you can delete. You can approve if the payment, you receive the payment, you can approve it. Then it comes to your dashboard that yes, you have new trading, you have new user that has deposited. You can see withdrawal request, and this withdrawal request as well, you can see it. And also you can see manage plans, you can add new plans like that. And also you can send an email. This is cool. You can send an email to all of your users, send email to your users and all like that. And send email to your users, send mail to users, feed their messages. You can set up your account and so many other things like that. So this is robust. This is super complete. And this is, if you click on all users, you can manage all the users on your platform and so on like that. Delete the user, you can delete the users and so on like that. So you can see live balance of the user, you can create the user demo balance, say 49.49, and you can use this to test your trading stake. This is what the user will be using for their demo, and you know, all this you can control it. You can check the password, you can update the password, you can do all of those things like that. And you can look at the signals. We can add new signals if we want to add any signal to this signals that we have on the platform, on the front end that the user are seeing. You can see all the signals that are available, and then you can see your wallet. You can view wallets. These are the wallets, Bitcoin, ETH. These are the wallet that your user are gonna pay to, and each wallet is going to generate QR code so that when they scan, they pay to your distance. So you can see the plan request. These are the people that requested for the plan. Okay, this, they want to do this plan. You can delete them, you can approve them if you want. And stake management, these are the active stakes. Look at, okay, what are the stakes that are active at the moment? See them like this. You see these active stake, you can see them active stake. You can see how this is the person that is currently staking at the moment, and you can see stake history and all like that. You see, these are the history of people that have staked before and all of those things. Like, so deposit requests, people that deposited for request, you can see them, and so many others like that. You can see settings, you can set up your account, you can manage the plan, you can check your account, you can change your password, you can add a password, you can send mail, you can send mail to users, you can send mail to a user, you can view all the messages. So you have many options here. You can send mail to all the users, you can do so many things like that. So any money that is coming in, you see you deposit from the deposit request. This is where you can actually approve them. Is that you approve the money, you can view the proof of payments. If the proof of payment is actually valid, you see this is the platform. This is someone that just registered and made deposit, and as you can see, this is what they are saying on the platform, and this is what they are saying on their dashboard. Right? Cool, right? This is really great. And also, if you see that you receive this payment, you can approve. If you did not receive the payment, you don't approve it. So, and then like I said, you can set everything you want to set on your platform. You can control anything you want to control. You can do so many things like that. So this is just the overall project. This is what we have on this project. And if you're actually interested in this project, you can check the description below, reach out to me, and let's have a discussion on how you can get this project done on your platform. Thank you so much for your time. And also, whatever front end projects you need for this project, I can actually get it done for you. Any platform you want, any front end you want, and any other thing that you are actually thinking about. So let's say, for example, let's look at this platform, plus500.com. Is a very this platform is very popular. So as you can see, this platform right here, you see, so whatever platform you have, whatever platform you need, if you have their link, you can send them to me, then I can actually get them for you. Then there's another one called plus500uk.com, which is also as this. So I built this for this. You see, they are out there, are identical. So whatever it is you need for your front end, you can just reach out to me. So you can start trading, register your accounts, sign in, and also you can log into the accounts just like the way we did like the other time. So let's say I will use this, and let me say let me input my password and I sign in. Okay, so say you get an OTP request if because I activated OTP request. So right now, let me check my OTP. Okay, so I received the OTP. That's 642973. So I can authenticate the login. So as you can see, this is really beautiful. This is really great. So if you have any themes that you need, any front-end design that you want, I can actually get it done for you. So let's say plus500 UK slash forex, like so in case you need anything, in case you need any design you want for your content, you can always reach out to me. If you like any website design that you want to use for your platform as well, then we just make video editing, you can just actually reach out to me as well. So this is gonna be a huge project for you that can generate a lot of income, a lot of money, a lot of users on your platform, and you can control everything on the platform. What is it that you're looking for? What is it that you want? I can get it done for you. And also, if you need tutorial on how to install this script on your platform, drop comments below, or you can reach out to me via the description so that I can work on the tutorial on how to get this done. Thank you.